Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best platform shoes on the market, the Reebok Women's Club C Extra Platform Sneakers. If you're looking for a perfect blend of style, comfort, and that little extra height, these sneakers might just be your new go-to. The Reebok Club C Extra Platform sneakers bring a fresh twist to the classic Reebok Club C design by adding a chunky platform sole. The platform measures about 1.75 inches, and the heel height is around 2 inches, but it cleverly feels like just a quarter-inch heel when you wear them. This means you get that elevated look without compromising on comfort or stability. One of the standout features is the durable leather upper that not only looks sleek but also ensures these shoes can handle daily wear. The leather is detailed with subtle perforations, allowing for breathability, which keeps your feet feeling fresh throughout the day. The tonal leather overlays add a refined touch to the overall design, making them versatile enough for casual outings, work, or even travel. Comfort is a major focus here. The shoes feature a padded terry tongue and collar, which cushion your feet and reduce any potential irritation from long hours of walking or standing. The rubber outsole is built to be durable and provides reliable traction, so you can confidently wear these sneakers in different settings and weather conditions. When it comes to closure, they use classic lace-ups that allow for a snug and adjustable fit. This traditional feature complements the modern platform design, creating a sneaker that's both functional and fashion-forward. The Reebok Women's Club C Extra Platform sneakers are imported and crafted with attention to detail, reflecting the quality standards Reebok is known for. They come in a stylish chalk blend green colorway that's neutral yet eye-catching, allowing for easy pairing with various outfits. These sneakers don't just add height, they add an undeniable fashion statement to your wardrobe. Whether you're pairing them with jeans, skirts, or casual dresses, they elevate your look effortlessly. Plus, the platform sole gives you that trendy, chunky sneaker vibe without sacrificing the classic sporty appeal. In summary, if you want platform shoes that deliver on style, comfort, and durability, the Reebok Women's Club C Extra Platform sneakers are an excellent choice. They're versatile, well-constructed, and perfect for those who want to stand taller and look cooler. That's it for today's review here at Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.